Yeah. We don't play, we P-Town cooking like a Pyrex ride. Shabata talk, got the throttle wide. Pushing RC like it's work on the side. Yeah.
Backlot shady, pits full of convicts, handing off remotes like duffels full of conflict. Diffs locked up like the Fed foul seal. My Yokomo swing like a coupe on a pill. Weight shift calculated, camber look felonious. Spoilers like a razor blade, cuts look harmonious. I ain't on the strip, I'm on the straight precision. Giving out that talk like I'm feeding an addiction. Battery pack sizzle, brushes got that flair. 30cc of fury, we don't drift, we tear. Every corner got a scheme, grip soft like the cream, but my servo snap back like it's chasing a dream.
Pushing P-Town like I'm pushing coke. Every slide's a scheme, every move's a quote. Got that lip tucked low, it don't speak and float. We just wrap up shells, then we hit the mode. Pushing RC like I'm pushing weight. Shimmed up fine like a razor spray. No 9 to 5, just a diff to break. I drift sideways through the pearly gate. This that carbon body, no fingerprints. We slide in silence, no evidence. Acid tune like a kilo flip. Throttle hit like the first time the foil got ripped. Tokyo to Melbourne, I'm drift cartel. Crates of chassis, same day parallel. Full on the lookout, Handy got the setup. I just angle deep like I'm leaning on the Beretta. Camera so sharp, it'll dice your fade. And I'm serving up smoke like a backroom raid. Reek tags on the fenders, swerve with pride. Keep it stealth like the stash when it's tucked inside. Pushing RC like I push that raw. I don't sell dreams, I deliver the law. Sylvia shell, but a drift, no flaw. High move units like the block and all. Pushing P-Town like I'm moving grams from the pit to the lot. Got the world in my hands. This ain't a toy, it's the plan I ran. Big slide, tight line, just a drift to scam. You see me in the shadows, controller in hand like a 38 snub. I ain't flipping keys, I'm flipping rear ends at 90 degrees. RC or not, this the hustle. P-Town cartel, yeah. Yeah.
Spin it, twist it, Wandy in the light and the vibe's ballistic. You blink and you missed it. Them spirals got him seasick. Drift missed, yo. Wandy roll up with the wheels going whoosh. Spirals got you staring like you smoking on a kush. P-Town haze while the toe line crisp. Drift so tight it could whisper a lisp. Yo, bumper to the floor, fit me deadly. Wheel spin slow, then snap like madly. Chevy in the pits like, yo, this kid's twisted. Even D-man pause like the whole track shifted. Barrels looking like hypnosis on the loop. Cameras out, crowd spinning like soup. No stickers, no cap, just swirl in motion. Wandy got torque like he drift in the ocean. Spiral on the wheels, it's a spell in chrome. RC slide like it's haunted phone. Wandy got him stuck like a screen that froze. You watching that spin till your brain just goes. Spiral on the wheels, they don't know the cheat. Mesmerized fools can't control their feet. Slid through the line like he opened the breach. With spirals so tight, they preaching in bleach. Yeah, Yokomo set up. Demon in disguise, diff tight like secrets, you can see it in his eyes. No decals needed, the wheels talk loud. Spin so smooth, put the doubters in a shroud. Clip the apex with a sideways prayer. Tire smoke spiral like it's hanging in the air. Phil try to flex with a chrome dish roll, but them spirals pull souls like a deep black hole. Talk slick, get flicked on a box of foam. Wandy drip scripture in the tires dome. Even Andy said, bro, this build's insane. When the wheels spin backwards, they expose your brain. Spiral on the wheels, it's a spell in chrome. RC slide like it's haunted phone. Wandy got him stuck like a screen that froze. You watching that spin till your brain just goes. Spiral on the wheels, they don't know the cheat. Mesmerized fools can't control their feet. Slid through the line like he opened the breach. With spirals so tight, they preaching in bleach. Watch him spin, watch him stare. Wandy just slid through dimensions out there. It ain't just drift, It's mind control on plastic lips. Spirals talk back and the wheels never quit, yeah. The wheels never quit. Yeah. Get in.
No cape, just a torque wrench. Winfield shell with the cheddar yellow drench. Chevy painted sins on the drift, that's 15. Side glide clean like a dream, dipped in nicotine. Quarter panel scripture, laced in traditions. Gibson grip twist, RPM premonition. Villain in the pits where the motors hum grim. Carbon ghost trails while the daylight dims. Alley cat throttle, no leash on the leash. Polybody gospel from the track to the beach. Microdose of rubber dust, burn marks and code. I speak in Thai screeches, linguistics and low. Winfield whisper in the shell of a ghost. Chevy did delivery like a villain's toast. RC tails where the smoke run deep. And the GTR legends still don't sleep. Midnight oil in a can of fate. S15 slide through the pearly gate. Villain on the line, keep the throttle divine. Gibson tails etched in the arc of time. Spoken volts, wires like veins in a sleeve. Each servo twitch is a plot to deceive. Gibson GTR, metal him on tarmac. Engine notes whisper secrets through the backtrack. Downforce guru, laced in legality. Old group, a shell with drift fatality. Doom style cooking with a hex in the prep. This ain't just a shell, it's a glyph in the rep. Lo-fi villainy, drift tape hissing. Wheel spit haikus with camber precision. D-man posted in the shadows like a myth. A Chevy preps bodies that dance like a fifth. Winfield whisper in the shell of a ghost. Chevy did delivery like a villain's toast. RC tails where the smoke run deep. And the GTR legends still don't sleep. Midnight oil in a can of fate. S15 slide through the pearly gate. Villain on the line, keep the throttle divine. Gibson tails etched in the arc of time. They thought it was plastic, till it ghosted past them sideways. Red gold flashes, like lightning trapped in old VHS static. Chevy painted it proper, villain approved. The Winfield gospel still slides.
Yo, Tyson, back in the chat, mad again. Said, can you do a vid without that music, friend? Annoying AI rap ruins the show. Bro, this ain't NPR, it's Drift, let's go. He hating on fall like it's a crime, but can't find the mute button every single time. You don't like the beat? Cool story, bro. Then why you still watching? Hit the road, Joe. And look who creeping in the background, damn it. It's your boy Tyson, rolling deep with Samet. Both of them whinging like it's a sport. No AI music, just give us a snort. Y'all want pure car noise? That's cute, but this is for the crew who drift and compute. We lighten up the lot with the beat and fire, while y'all sitting at home just sounding tired. Tyson in the chat, Samet in the feed. Two old dudes trying to kill the speed. You say the rap's annoying? Must be fear, cause these bars hit harder than a sideways gear. Fofo drop heat, y'all drop salt. that ain't constructive, that's your fault. AI's ruining art. You cry and pout while your vids get skipped and mine get clout. So drift purists, go form a band. Call it No Fun Club with the clapback brand. You want just tires? Here's your reward. So when you're done complaining, just take a hike, son. We'll be out here shredding, having real fun. You don't like music? Then stop advising. Here's some car noise for Tyson.